Yeah, UNG, this is an ETF. This is an ETF that has a basket of symbols under it that represent the kind of the price action of natural gas. And natural gas, as you can see here on this chart for UNG, somewhat boring, sideways, has a little bit of chop to it. And guess what? That's what us premium sellers really like is this sideways chop. So I was looking at this and I was looking at the predictability of it. 7.5% or $7.50 is kind of our high. Our low lately has been somewhere between 6 and 6.5. And if you look at the options chain on UNG, you'll see that these options are traded about every dollar. And so I was looking at the strike prices of $8 and $6 and realizing that this would be a really fantastic trade to do with those two strike prices. And I see that I'm about to be forming a top up here. So what I wanted to alert our followers to was perhaps a trade when we get a signal that a top has been found, when the underlying symbol is somewhere probably between $7.50 and 8. The key point here is that not only is it at that price range, but that it starts to head down. I might really consider either shorting this ETF or buying a put option that's probably out. Let's see where the expirations fall on these put options. So if I take a look at, I like this March 2024 option. That's a great expiration date. So I would probably buy some March 2024 put options. And so I could see myself using maybe this $12 put option, going pretty far out in time, pretty deep in the money. So instead of having to short for about $7.25, I would instead go long for about $5.15. And that would set me up to be able to sell put premium and roll out protective calls for the foreseeable future. I mean, look, we've been doing that since March, and it looks like natural gas is probably going to be going sideways until the winter season when people start using natural gas again to heat their homes. And so I've got about 3 or 4 months that I could probably collect more premiums on selling natural gas. So now is the good time for me to short or buy that back month put option.